Okay, welcome back. The SGX, of course, is still unhelpfully down 100 plus points, 17,963 after a very dreary overnight session in the US. Anuj is here in the studios with a quick check on how he's seeing things. Anuj, morning.
Morning, Prashant. This time yesterday we were discussing the disconnect between the bond market and the equity market, and I think markets finally realized that, there's clearly some really eerie cues coming out of the bond market. In fact, the bond yield has surged to 3.88, and while equities were so far ignoring it, I think it became too much to ignore now, especially with Mr. Bullard saying that there could be 50 basis point rate hike in the next meeting. I think that really is the fear. The big question is, will it translate in Indian market as well, or will buy on dips play out? Though, keep in mind, yesterday we slipped quite a bit from the highs, and we're still not out of that bearish channel, and the trend line decisively we're still not above that. Market's texture today will depend on how IT stocks behave, because the first hour you see an algo trade play out in line with the Nasdaq, and you'll see IT stocks down, and after that, will there be recovery in IT stocks? I think that's something to keep an eye on. The Nasdaq still about 20 and 50-day exponential moving average, but Nasdaq is like that. It just turns and sometimes sort of never makes a comeback. Could this be the same this time, or is this just a bit of a short-term reversal? I think that's something we'll keep an eye on. So as I said, any sign of recovery, it has to come from IT first. On the Nifty, the levels to watch: 50-day exponential moving average of 17,939 and 20-day exponential moving average of 17,885. My sense is that this is a support in which traders would try to buy and see if that trade is working or not. The Bank Nifty has been the weak link for the market, and it's been rejecting some important levels like the 50-day exponential moving average. And it's a sell-on rally sort of index. My sense is next level to watch here could be the 100-day moving average of 41,200.
Okay, thanks a lot, Anuj. Have a good